What does 17 pounds of seed beads look like? I have a box that I will be unboxing, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Fenley and I am a French beaded flower designer. If this is our first time meeting, welcome to my channel. The goal of this channel is to help you shorten your learning curve while making bead and wire flowers. We are in the middle of a bead along to make this summer wildflowers project. If you would like to get started, check out the playlist to start learning the techniques. Now let's get to my box of beads. I bought these beads from Fire Mountain Gems. This is not a sponsored video. I just love these beads so much and have been using them for over 19 years. Some of these beads will go into my bead kits, but mostly I don't know what I'm making with them yet. It doesn't hurt to have a nice collection of colors. Do you buy beads by the pound? Where's your favorite place to buy beads? Let me know in the comments below. Also, how's everyone doing with the Bead Along project? Send me pictures. I would love to see your progress and I may feature it in a future video. It's still summer over here and we'll work on the beaded echinacea next week. They're still flowering over here, but most are starting to seed already. Hit the thumbs up if you would like more videos like this. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching this quick and fun video, and we'll get back to work next week. Bye!